Welcome to eLive Connect, your on-demand and live training system filled with educational content curated and produced by top industry experts. With dynamic and interactive trainings, videos, webinars, podcasts, tailgate meetings, and more. eLive Connect will equip your employees with the best practices in safety and risk management. Let's get started. Visit eliveconnect.com and click Login. Enter your email address and the password you created at checkout. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. On your dashboard, you will find live statistics on your participation in trainings, webinars, videos, and podcasts, announcements from eLive Connect and your company, upcoming webinars and registration links, and your most recently viewed content. eLive Connect offers expertly created educational content in a variety of mediums, each accessible by the left side menu. Tailgates are quick meeting guides designed to gather a small group of employees to discuss a specific safety topic. When selecting a tailgate, you can filter down by topic and sort by title. Click View to view or download the tailgate meeting of your choice. Trainings are full-length educational presentations on a particular subject matter. As with tailgates, you can filter the available trainings by topic and sort by title. Click View to view or download a training presentation. Webinars are previously broadcasted educational sessions that you can replay at any time from right within eLive Connect. With webinars, you can filter down by topic, sort by title, or duration, and select whether to explore the videos in grid or list view. Once you've made your selection, click on the webinar's image in grid view or title in list view to play it. Videos are professionally produced original content from eLive Connect focused around a particular subject matter. Videos have the same filter, sort, and view options as webinars. Click on the video's image in grid view or title in list view to play your selection. Podcasts are professionally produced audio tracks that can be listened to at your convenience. Like videos and webinars, you can filter podcasts by topic, sort by title or duration, or organize them by grid or list view. Click on the podcast to listen to the audio recording. Documents are meant to serve as official reference guides on important subject matters. When selecting a document, you can filter by topic or sort by title. Click View to view or download the document you select. Links are a collection of helpful reference websites aggregated by safety and risk management experts. Clicking View will open up the website in a new tab. Resources are a collection of files that your company manager has published to eLive Connect for members of your company to view. Click View to view or download the file. The Learning Management Suite, or LMS, is an adjacent education tool that is included with your eLive Connect subscription. It allows you to take part in online training courses and receive certifications upon completion of a course. Features include record retention, report generation, and interactive training. Log in to LMS from your eLive Connect account by clicking the blue Login button. If you're looking for a specific piece of content that you just can't find or know exactly what you're looking for, use the search feature located below your logo. If you're a company manager within eLive Connect, you will find special access to account settings and reporting. Within settings, you can update your company's profile, including logo and industry, add and manage users, upload documents to be visible to only your company, add announcements to appear across your employees' dashboards, or manage your eLive Connect subscription, including billing methods, status, and upgrading your account to allow for additional users. The reporting section delivers real-time analytics of each of your employees' content interactions within eLive Connect. The overview will show how many of each content category the user has viewed, while clicking on their name will reveal the exact titles they've interacted with. If you have any additional questions or need any assistance within eLive Connect, please visit our support page to submit your request. We hope you enjoy your eLive Connect experience. Thank you for learning with us.